Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to simply download Paint 3D and install it on your computer. So the first thing you need to do is to just go ahead and open up your Windows Store by tapping Windows Store or just by clicking on it, as you can see. Then go ahead to the search tab, just type in Paint 3D, then click on it, and then after that these apps will be shown to you. Just choose the one that you would like to use. After that, just click on Install and the installation phase will start. So just give it a couple of seconds, as you can see, and the app will be installed on your computer and it will be ready to use. So just give it a couple of minutes for the download to start. As you can see, it's very fast, and then the app will be installed. As you can see right now, just click on Open and start using it. So this was an easy and quick tutorial video. As always, thank you for watching.